Hey guys, this is Alan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce you 7 basic AI concepts. Of course, there are so many other AI concepts, but these 7 ones are the most important ones. And first, let's say token. Token is a text fragment. Of course, I'll tell you more details in the video later. And the second one is prompt, which is instruction. And third one is context, which is a working memory. And the fourth one is agent, which is a operator. And the fifth one is harness, which is AI control layer. And number six is MCP, which is a model context protocol. So this is AI's universal connector. The last one is skill. It's like a reusable playbook. So after watching this video, I'm sure when next time when you talk about AI with your friends, families, or colleagues, you will impress them. I'm sure you will learn a lot in this video. So the first thing you should know, AI is not one magic button. It's a system. So the real AI apps can, also need context, planning and tools, permissions and workflows, and lots of reusable skills. Of course, the prompts matter, but it's not the only concept. For example, so in a low level, we have the token. So basically, this is what the model reads. So text is split into the small pieces which the AI can read. Then later in the middle level, you can say the prompt and the context. It's what the model sees. So your instruction plus the background available right now, and AI can read lots of historical context, and it reads your latest prompt and then give you the answer. Sorry. Then the highest level, which we have the agent plus controls. It's how AI gets work done. It plans steps, calls tools, follows guardrails, and then check progress. Okay, uh, regarding these 7 concepts, let's go to the more details. The token, so it's a small list text unit of them, which the model can processes. Then prompt is like instruction, what you ask the AI to do and how to respond. And context is the information the AI can say in this task. The next one is agent. The agent plans steps, choose tools, and works toward a goal. Then next one is harness. Nowadays, harness is very important because it control. The control system for tools, checks, logs, approvals, and failures. And the next one is Model Context Protocol, which is MCP. It's an open protocol for connecting AI apps to data sources and tools. So last one is skill. So skill can be some task specific instructions, examples, code, resources, or templates. You can create lots of tools. Sorry, you can create lots of skills based on this. Okay, next one, token. Now let's take a real example. You know, the AI model can't read a sentence as the way we do. So it has to break the text into small units, which they can calculate with. For example, this one. If I or you ask AI write a quarterly summary, so AI might split this sentence into small units like this. Write a quarterly summary. So that means the token is a basic unit of text. It can be a word, part of a word, or a character, or symbol depending on the model. So different models may have different rules to um, cut the sentence into small units. And of course, sometimes we also give the AI some images or pictures. Also, they have some rules to divide those pictures, sentences, or whatever, or videos into small pieces. Then the small piece is a token. Why token matters? Because nowadays token is very expensive. We want to uh, save money, right? We don't want to spend lots of tokens. So that's the thing I will tell you how to save tokens. There are lots of tips, so you can use the least money to do the most work. Okay, next one is a prompt. So prompt is where you tell the AI uh, the goal, constraints, role, or output format. So let's say I provide you this video and I ask AI to provide me some slides which I can show you and to explain to you. Basically, I just ask the AI with this prompt, write a 3-minute video script. Of course, uh, this deck, I mean, contains lots of slides, which is good. And then the audience, the viewers are beginners learning AI, right? So I just ask AI to make it simple. So yeah, style is simple. So to avoid heavy jargon and format, I ask AI to give me the HTML file, which AI did. And let's remember that the prompts matter, but they're not everything. And the context, agent behavior, harness rules, MCP connections, and skill, they all shape the final result. Of course, if you can give AI a better prompt, it helps. It saves time. So the next one, context. It's the AI working memory. The context is not permanent memory. It's more like the material on the table for this task. Chat history, uploaded files, retrieved results, rules, and background information. Of course, there are lots of ways or tools we can let AI to remember lots of things, not only the things from today, or we can uh, ask AI to create some logs to remember more things. Otherwise, maybe when you ask AI to do something new, to follow some tasks you did before, we have to let AI to remember the behavior. And also, you see, uh, in the context window, uh, the AI will remember what you just said and then also retrieve the source snippets and tool outputs and also task rules and limits. But when the window is full and all the information may be compressed or dropped, long tasks need organized context. I will share you more details about how to use the context more efficiently. So next is agent. So agent is not just chatting, but doing. So the agent is like understand what you want to do and make the plan and use some tools and then check. So it's not like you ask a AI question, AI provides you the answer. Let me give you one example. So the agent can do something like this. You ask agent to prepare the weekly meeting brief. So the AI agent will do something like this. So understand the brief, what's the brief for, and also check the last week's notes and look at your calendar and find unfinished action items. After that, draft the meeting brief and ask you to confirm or revise. That's the AI agent. But The chat bot can just tell you, oh, the brief is one, two, three, four, like this. So it's like the agent is like your office assistant. You do not just ask it one question. You give a agent a goal, it can break the goal into steps, use tools, and check information and produce the final result. And for example, if you ask a chatbot, and how do I prepare a meeting brief? Okay, it gives the advice. But if you ask agent, prepare the meeting brief, it can gather all the context, use tools, as I said, and draft the brief and check whether anything is missing. And if everything is working smoothly, it will send you something or organize something automatically. That's the magic of the AI agent. So next one is harness. So this is the AI control layer. And harness is not a single universal AI feature. It's the control layer around an agent. Tool permissions, guardrails, logs, approvals, checks, and failure handling. So it's everywhere. It can control everything. So permissions like it can let you know or control what files can the AI read, which action need approval, which tools are blocked. Rules like safety boundaries, output formats, and business processes it must follow. Especially in the business AI, rules are very important. Also, uh, uh, because of some security reason, rules are important. Logs can help you to record what happened to people. Sorry. So logs can record what happened, so people can review, debug, and audit the work. Then we have failures. So failures is like what to do when a tool fails and information is missing or the answer is uncertain. Okay, now let's say MCP, so Model Context Protocol. This is AI's universal connector, and the AI agent needs to search, use tools, or read data from another system. Now we need MCP to connect AI with other sources. For example, documents, databases, web pages, calendars, code repos, or business systems. So basically, it can help the AI models to connect and everything you need to connect. Okay, next one, the skill. So it's like a reusable task playbook. And a skill is not just a tool connection. It packages instructions, examples, code, and resources so that an AI system can perform a specific task more consistently. Let's say process what you do with the process for reports, analysis, code review, or research. The AI follows a proven sequence. So you have like maybe 10 steps. You can create a skill including these 10 steps. And then the second one is expertise. So it's like what's your standards, the what are the common pitfalls, and the quality rules become reusable knowledge. So basically, if you work in a specific area, you can create a skill including all those expertise. Then the next one is assets. They include templates, examples, scripts, checklists, which stopped AI from starting from scratch. Okay, next one, we have one AI request may use all seven concepts. Of course, now the AI technology is updating almost every day. In the beginning, it's just like a prompt. So you ask AI question, AI answers you. But now we have all these concepts combined in one task. So basically, just prompt tells the AI what you want. The context tells it what it can see. The agent behavior determines how it acts. The harness controls the run, and the MCP connects tools. Then skill makes a good workflow reusable. So that's how these seven concepts connect each other. Okay, let's say there are three common misunderstandings. The first one, thinking, still lots of you guys think prompts are everything, but a prompt is only one concept. Output quality also depends on context, agent behavior, harness rules, MCP connections, and skill. Number two, thinking an agent is just a chatbot. Agent is not just a chatbot. I give you that example earlier about ask AI to prepare your meeting brief. It can, I mean, the agent can even help you to send a new email or new invitation. So the AI agent is not mainly for conversation. It works toward goals, plans steps, use tools, and checks results. The last one is thinking MCP and skill are the same. They're not the same, they are very different with each other. MCP is about connection, skill is about execution patterns. So one helps AI connect, and the other helps AI do. So skill is to do, MCP is to connect. Sorry. Okay, now how we can become a advanced AI user from a beginner. Here, the roadmap I show you. So the beginner level, you understand token and prompt and learn how to ask better questions. The next level is builder. As a builder, you understand context and agent and let AI complete multiple step tasks. Then the next level is operator. So as an operator, you can configure uh, harness. Oh, sorry, is running out of battery, and control AI, and then connect external tools. So the next one is the advanced level. So as in advanced level, you can build a skill system and turn experience into reusable capability. Okay, the last slide I want to tell you AI is not a pure magic and not just one model. And the modern AI applications are engineering systems that run from tiny text units all the way up to reusable workflows. So understand these seven concepts, and you have a map for learning AI applications. And in the future videos, I will try my best to introduce you more AI skills. Of course, if you have something you need my consulting service for your business, I can also help you. So, thank you for watching. And I'm sorry today I got some cough, which I can't speak very well. I hope next time, after I recover, I will deliver more videos for you to learn. And thank you for watching and see you next time.